This neck has got a crook like this. I'm going to adjust it, but I'm not going to twist it. Like that, and then a good pull. And then coming up. And what that's done is helping regain function. So what happened originally?
Well, I mean, when I first came in here, I had a massive hemorrhagic stroke, which paralyzed the entire right side of my body. And, you know, basically I'm playing basketball now.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, whatever. I mean,
Yeah, go like this.
You know, but yeah, I mean, this is like, you know, I mean, tons of feeling and tons of capability has come back.
What would you say about this being instrumental in getting your function back?
Yeah, I mean, it was obvious to me from the very first day. You know, the first day we came in, I felt something very significant happen, you know, in my brain, in my body, electrifying, a huge emotional response, which was very concerning at the time. But
That's awesome.
but you know, I'm convinced that this was a big part of the recovery.
Amen.
So
if you know anybody who's going through a stroke, who's had one, getting a corrective care chiropractic adjustment that resets and replasticizes the pathways, absolutely needed.
yeah.